Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome back. It's a full week here at Perry Elementary on Monday, January 14th, 2019. For our morning announcements for today, we do have some January birthdays to announce. We do have Zofia, Antonio, and also Josiah. Happy birthday to you. You have all birthdays that are either over the weekend or today. So I hope all of you have a wonderful day today. For our lunch choices, we have chicken nuggets with cookie, meatball sub, or sun butter and jelly sandwich. And today our fourth grade students will be going over some things with our Paws.
All right, for our pause for today, we have some fourth grade students who are going to go over some suggestions of what you can do to make sure that you're following along and following our pause.
Follow instructions. Be nice to everybody. Working hard. Just because you got out the weekend doesn't mean you get it easy.
All great suggestions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, boys. Good suggestions. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. I appreciate it, boys. You did a great job. So let's everyone have a great day today and make sure we're showing our Paws and positive behavior throughout the day and the rest of this week. Everyone have a wonderful day.